In this video I will show you how you can use the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to record 100x zoom video. Normally you can zoom in to 100x in the photo mode, but not in the video mode. In the video mode the limit is 20x. So first you have to install the Camera Assistant app, utility app from the Galaxy Store, and that has an option to allow you to record video in photo mode. This is the key here. You have to be able to record video in photo mode. And how do you do that? You long press the button for taking pictures, you long press it, and while you keep it pressed, it's recording video. Just like that. It's that simple. And if you are zoomed in at 100%, 100x, it will record your video at 100x, not 10x. The 10x is the optical zoom of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, but it can zoom in even further with digital zoom to 100x. That's 3x, 1x, 10x, that's 1x, and 10x here. You can see it's a bit of a difference. And this is the actual video recorded from the phone. It's not very amazing quality, but you can get really close to this and record 100x video with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section below if you try this and what do you use it for. Thanks for watching.